Welcome to the Science Hub Academy.
Today, we are going to study about the basic terminologies of physics. First of all, what are physical quantities? Physical quantities are things that can be measured and are expressed with a number and unit. For instance, length of rod is 5 meter, mass of chair is 10 kilogram, time 20 second. Non-physical quantities are those that cannot be measured on scale or with any reference or with any instrument and have no unit. For example, honesty, beauty, happiness, intelligence, love, etc. Now, what are the types of physical quantities? There are two types of physical quantities. 1, base quantities, and 2, derived quantities. Base quantities, or fundamental quantities, are the basic quantities that do not depend on any other quantity. For example, length, mass, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. These are the 7 base quantities that do not depend on any other quantity. For example, length of table is 2 meter. Mass of book is half kg. Time taken is 45 seconds. Derived quantities are those that depend on base physical quantities, or formed by combining 2 or more base quantities. For instance, area is equal to length times length, equals meter square. Volume is equal to length times length times length, equals meter cube. Speed is equal to distance divided time, is equal to meter per second.
Derived quantities are also formed by combining one base and one derived quantity. For example, force is equal to mass into acceleration, is equal to Newton. In this example, acceleration is derived quantity.
Measurement of physical quantities. Measurement is the process of comparing an unknown quantity with a certain scale, or a reference, or a standard unit. Here are some common measuring instruments. For example, ruler, measuring tape, and vernier caliper for length. Balance for mass, clock and stopwatch for time, thermometer for temperature. For instance, a table is 2 meter long. 2 is number, and meter is unit. There are 7 SI units for 7 base quantities. Advantages of SI units. 1, used all over the world. 2, easy to understand. 3, make scientific measurements accurate and uniform. Derived units are obtained by combining SI units. For instance, area equals length times length is equal to meter squared. Volume is equal to length times length times length is equal to meter cubed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time is equal to meter per second. Acceleration is equal to speed divided by time is equal to meter per second squared. Summary of the lecture. 1, physical quantities can be measured. 2, non-physical quantities cannot be measured. 3, base quantities are fundamental and independent. 4, derived quantities are obtained from base quantities. 5, SI units are internationally accepted. Standard units and measurement consist of a number and a unit.